In the vibrant tapestry of Malaysia's educational landscape, there exists a shining beacon of opportunity known as the Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education. Nestled within its walls are not just offices, but gateways to a world of practical knowledge, hands-on experience, and boundless potential. Meet Ahmad, a spirited young Malaysian with a passion for technology and a drive to succeed. Like many of his peers, Ahmad found himself at a crossroads after completing high school. Uncertain of his future path, he sought guidance and stumbled upon the Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education. Intrigued by its vision to be the leading-edge TVET institution, Ahmad decided to explore further. What he discovered was a network of 36 polytechnics and 105 communities colleges, each offering a diverse array of TVET programs designed to meet the demands of Malaysia's ever-evolving labor market. Driven by a desire to carve his own destiny, Ahmad enrolled in the Electrical and Electronics Engineering program at his local polytechnic. From the moment he stepped into the classroom, he knew he had found his calling. Guided by passionate instructors and equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, Ahmad immersed himself in the world of electronics. But it wasn't just about textbooks and lectures. The Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education offered Ahmad something invaluable, a dynamic blend of teaching and learning with technology alongside practical experience. Through immersive internships, industry placements, and hands-on projects, he gained real-world skills that seamlessly integrated with 21st century demands, setting him apart in the job market. As graduation day approached, Ahmad felt a mix of excitement and anticipation. Armed with his diploma in electrical and electronics engineering, he was ready to embark on the next chapter of his journey. But more than that, he was prepared to make a difference in the world. Today, Ahmad is a shining example of the Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education's vision in action. He is not just a graduate, he is a skilled professional, ready to contribute to Malaysia's workforce and drive innovation in his chosen field. But Ahmad's story is just one of many. Across Malaysia, countless young Malaysians are discovering their own paths to success through the Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education. From engineering to hospitality, healthcare to information technology, the opportunities are endless. So if you're a young Malaysian with dreams of a brighter future, look no further than the Department of Polytechnic and Community College Education. With its unwavering commitment to excellence and industry-led approach, it's not just an education, it's a pathway to success,